Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you all. I hope you are all in good health. Happy to inform you that my channel currently is considered eligible by YouTube to activate the membership button. What does it mean? It means that you can join and subscribe to my channel, explore my channel, and you will always be notified every time there is an upload of my new videos. Beforehand, I would like to tell you what advantage you will take. First, my channel always share about science and technology, specifically knowledge and experience in project management and construction industry for various disciplines ranging from civil, including ready-mix concrete supply, steel structure, piping, pipeline and piping on plan, and mechanical starting with work procedure, program application, progress schedule, and construction project cost, construction dashboard, work progress, reporting procedure, invoices, progress billing, back charge, complete with supporting document or other format. And I usually compile everything with a formulation therein. Means it applicable and easy to operate, and this is certainly very useful for practitioner in the construction industry or for student or beginner who want to explore this field. And apart from that, as a balance, so as not to be too serious, I also share and explore entertainment related to my family vacation and traveling, culture, and local content. So, what are you waiting for? Immediately press the join button, blue color letter in the blue box in the upper right corner on my channel. Please join us and subscribe to my official YouTube channel, Imran Amami channel, and take advantage of it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.